So you've built your dream house, made it look the way you've envisioned with every piece carefully catered to your design. You sleep well, raise your kids, send them off to college, and now it's you and your partner left to enjoy the fruits of a lifetime of labor. But as time continues on, decay sets in, and before you know it, things are starting to fall apart. Ceilings are collapsing, doors are unhinged, tables are breaking, and floor parts are giving in. It's a somber reminder that nothing can stay perfect permanently. But before you fall into some deep despair and an existential crisis, do not fret. You do actually have the ability to put things back in place, and all you'll need is a base set of tools to ensure that whatever damage comes your way, you'll be ready to take care of it irrespective of your actual repairing skill level. Think of getting tools for yourself as a long-term investment. You won't have to constantly buy them unless they're the sort that's perishable. But getting a pair of really good, highly rated tools now will be worth all the repairs you'll be doing in 5 to 10 years. Here at Most Useful, we'll list down the top 10 repair tools any handyman or handywoman will need to take care of anything that needs fixing around the house. That said, we'll also include our personal recommendations for the best version of each tool in so far to ensure maximum safety and maximum effectivity. And of course, if you want to get your hands on the tools and the versions we're recommending, we'll be leaving a list of them and their links in the description below. Also, full disclaimer, we're not getting paid by any of these brands to push their products. We've read the reviews for each item and have made the best objective choices in our own estimation. But before we get to the actual list, don't forget to subscribe to Most Useful to keep up to date of the most useful things you'll need to know in your life. We post regularly, so hit that bell notification so you'll always be in the know. And if you found this video helpful at all, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Alright, so with all of that said, let's go to tool number 1, a hammer. Remember back in the olden days where if the TV didn't work, you'd slam your fist on its top to get it to work? And if you don't, I guess I'm pretty close to being considered a dinosaur. But it's a great metaphor for if anything needs fixing, a hammer will probably do the trick. That's not an old saying, I just made that up. Also, we don't recommend applying a hammer to a TV for obvious reasons. But what I'm trying to say is that a hammer will come in useful for all sorts of repairing needs. With all the advancement in technology and all the new gadgets and gizmos, you can bet you'll still be needing a hammer at some point in your life. We recommend getting the type of hammer that's as close to the classic design as possible. You could go for one of those multi-purpose ones, and they might be useful in different scenarios, but remember the normal usage of a hammer will entail home repairs and you'll be striking from different angles, so if it gets in the way, it's not right. We also recommend the kind that doesn't vibrate as much, so a good rubber grip, a strong handle, and a light but durable head should do the trick. And from a lot of the picks we've seen, the Stanley 51-165 20-ounce Fat Max Extreme is a pretty good choice for dealing with all sorts of issues. Number 2, a screwdriver. If you own anything that's been assembled, anything that's involved at the minimum 2 pieces which come together, chances are if it's not been nailed, it's been screwed. Double entendres aside, even though screws don't have as much shear strength as nails, they offer great tensile strength, making them more useful for drawers, cabinets, and for anything involving wood in general. So a good screwdriver will always be handy if you're thinking of taking things apart. And even though maybe 2 screwdrivers will be good enough, 1 flathead and 1 Phillips head, you never know what wacky design those guys at the screw manufacturing plant are going to come up with next. As of last count, there are over 10 different designs of screws. Your guess is as good as mine as to why. But with different sizes and dimensions, we're guessing maybe a screwdriver set is the actual practical choice. You want a durable screwdriver with a strong shank and preferably a rubberized handle so your hands get a good grip even with all that sweat from repairing all day. We recommend the 14-piece Cremax screwdriver set. It apparently comes in highly rated and at a good price. It comes in a bag with magnetized tip and demagnetized tip pieces at different sizes. Now, it might not have all the heads that'll fit every single design in the world, but chances are with the accepted designs for a lot of the home furniture in the market right now, they'll get the job done. Number 3, combination pliers. If you need something to bend, twist, grip, or even cut, combination pliers will definitely come in handy, and believe me when I say you'll need to do each of those things at least once in your life. Therefore, combination pliers should be a staple in any home repair toolbox. We recommend a piece that isn't terribly bulky with a slender rubberized handle to ensure that you always get a good grip whenever you're trying to do those things we just enumerated. That said, the Channel Lock E348 8-inch combination plier with XLT joint should be perfectly suited for the job. Number 4, needle nose pliers. If you've got any repairs that involves wires, needle nose pliers are ideal to use, which you might have to pair with a multimeter. But unless you're comfortable dealing with electricity or wiring, we don't advise going anywhere near them. And with their rubberized handles, you can manage to get a good grip on those smaller objects. There are multi-purpose versions of needle nose pliers that can cut wire and shave off a few millimeters off of screws. That's mainly in the toolkit of professional electricians. But for the everyday person that just needs a good simple pair of pliers, the Klein J203-8 with cutter is great for every basic thing you need a needle nose plier to do. Number 5, a vice grip, also known as locking pliers. Say you've got a nail that needs removing and it's locked in hard or it's too far in. Rather than applying the hammer to it and risking friendly fire and hurting yourself or having to tear down the entire wall to get to that one pesky nail, a vice vice grip can grab it, hold on to it, and get the job done. And if you have any bolts that need a firm grip for it to stay in place or to remove it, the vise is perfect for that. Don't be confused though, there's a big vise used for larger pipes or larger pieces of metal known as a bench vise. What a home repair toolkit will be needing is the smaller, more portable version. Also, it's not a vise you use these to softer materials such as wood or aluminum, but they're great for sturdy, stubborn material. Vice grips are not as intuitive to use as a pair of pliers or a hammer though, but they're not difficult to learn how to use either. Regardless, they're an indispensable part of any home repair kit. We recommend getting a set that involves 2 varying size heads for any given situation and one that includes a sharper mouth for tinier, harder to grip objects. Also, a nice rubber handle is likewise recommended to mitigate any slipperiness. That said, the Work Pro 3-piece locking plier set isn't as well known as other brands like Irving or Stanley, but they're highly reviewed and stand at a good price for entry-level durable tools. Number 6. Safety glasses. Imagine doing some hammering or something and a splinter hits you right in the eye. I know, incredibly graphic to think about, but you'll never know what could happen even if you are just doing some home repairs. So unless you're the tough guy with eyes of steel, safety glasses will always come in handy. And don't worry, as a fellow eyeglass wearer myself, I found a pair of safety glasses that can fit comfortably over your eyeglasses with minimal to no fog. And even if you don't wear glasses, these are still pretty nifty looking durable safety glasses regardless. The no cry over glasses safety glasses is looking like the current safety glasses to rule them all, as it comes with adjustable arms, side shields, UV 400 protection, and is Occupational Safety and Health Act or OSHA certified. Number 7. A tape measurer. Look, I'd love to tell you I found a tape measurer that also functions as a knife and can cut through wood. I mean, you could still use it as a hammer, but you wouldn't have much of a tape measure after you're done with it. Simply put, it's likely that at one point in your life, you'll need to measure things for some amount of repair, estimation, or both. How long should a tape measurer be? For home use, we like to think that a tape measurer should be ample enough to cover the measurement of basic things around the house. That said, a tape measurer at around 25 feet or around 7 to 8 meters is good enough. Tape measurer types of anything less may not cut it for some measurements like for ceilings, door frames, and such, and some tape measurers like those 40 feet types around 12 meters may be a little overkill. There are a lot of really good tape measurers out there, so any pick in general is pretty good. We're not exactly particular about a tape measurer's specs, but we'll recommend one with the best amount of reviews anyway. Link in the description. Number 8. Adjustable wrench. If you've got bolts and you've got piping in the house, which in all likelihood you do, a wrench will always be useful. Now, if you honestly have no idea why your sink won't stop dripping, there may be a certain point where you'll need to swallow your pride and simply call a plumber. We wouldn't want to turn your house into a permanent water world. But if your sink just needs a little bit of tightening, a wrench is just the right tool. And unlike the days of old where you need to get yourself a whole set of wrenches, some sizes of which you'll probably never use, these days you can find wrenches with adjustable jaws that you can tighten and fasten around any bolt like a vice grip. And just in case you're tempted to think that you can just get a vice grip instead of a wrench or vice versa, remember that even though you can probably use both repair tools for a few of the same things, they do have uniquely different uses. We suggest getting yourself one of those adjustable wrenches with a rubber coated handle as per usual to get yourself a tight grip on anything you'll need to turn. That said, the Irwin 8 inches vice grip, yes, it's a wrench, is perfect for your home everyday use. By the way, with all this talk of rubberized handles, we would be remiss not to inform you that they'll be prone to expiring at some point in time. And with constant use, you could definitely wear them out. There are solutions to that, however. You could have them re-sleeved somewhere or get some electrical tape to wrap around those handles. But for the purpose of helping you make the best choice based on your budget, preference, or both, we'll be placing 2 different choices for each repair tool mentioned in the description. Also, we want to emphasize rubberized handles since not only do they allow you to get a good grip on anything, but rubber is non-conductive, meaning they won't be conducting heat or electricity if in any case something you're trying to grab with a certain tool is either hot or electric. Now, the following last 2 items, number 9 and 10, are perishable, making them prone to expiration. So if you are going to get them, just get an ample amount so that they don't just expire without you having used them at all. Also, definitely keep them out of reach from your infants and kids. Regardless, we believe that these 2 items are still going to be incredibly useful for when it comes to doing some repair work. Number 9, WD-40. WD-40 has become a sort of meme as of late. Creaky gate, WD-40. Rusty handle, WD-40. Stove on fire, WD-40. The last one is obviously a joke. Don't go applying this to fire. It's as if this is the wonder medicine that can cure everything. If it's made out of metal like hinges, screws, nails, and what have you, it's bound to be prone to rust. You'll have to know how to apply it though, but essentially WD-40 can help with locks, shower heads, and even remove crayon markings from the wall that your toddler was so convinced was the greatest work of art in all of human history. Also, if you are planning on getting tools like a hammer or a screwdriver set, remember that those are prone to rust too, so WD-40 can also serve to clean them right up. Bonus, a level and rubberized gloves. Have you ever had an argument with your significant other about the way a frame in your living room has been hanging? It's a little skewed to the left, you proclaim. It's skewed to the right, they retort. You go back and forth in an infinite loop until the end of time. And frankly, one of you might actually be right, but you'll never know for sure. Or can you? A level is great for settling such arguments. You just place it on top of a frame and see how it balances out. They're easy to read despite their almost complex looking exterior and won't require an architectural degree to know how to use it. They're essentially a ruler. But as to the question if you really need it, it'll only depend, but there's no doubt it'll come in handy for all you perfectionists out there. Now, rubberized gloves can feel rather clumsy, especially when you've got to hold a nail down before you hammer on it. But its protection against abrasions, cuts, splinters, and chemicals on your hand is practically guaranteed. Frankly, you won't always be needing them as much as some of the other tools in this list, but I guess you'll never know when they'll come in handy. And that was my attempt at a pun. Before we get to our number one item, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post videos about all the most useful things you need and even about things you didn't know you needed. So subscribe and hit that bell notification to always stay up to date. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. We like knowing that we helped you today. Number 10, adhesive. Construction adhesive or duct tape. Duct tape has gotten a bad rep in the past years for being the go-to tool for kidnappers, but they really are an effective way of at least applying a temporary fix on things. One of the best properties of heavy-duty duct tape is that they're water resistant. So if you need it to stay on for long, duct tape can stay and won't leave, unlike my ex. Construction adhesive is also a great replacement for nails and screws, at least temporarily and depending on moisture and temperature. You can even apply really strong adhesive to help reattach displaced legs to tables and chairs. And if your house has gotten panels and moldings, not to be confused with the type of molds bacteria makes, construction adhesive can definitely help in a huge way. That's our list. We hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit like. And if you enjoy more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. We make videos on all the most useful things in the world, so hit that bell notification to never miss out. But for now, we'll be seeing you in the next video.